Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure firmware and software are current. Install Logitech G733, then update the headset. Next, plug the Lightspeed USB receiver into a rear USB port for best signal. Once done, set your Windows output volume to 100% and open sound settings to disable all audio enhancements and spatial sound. You do this because software boosts and signal path can limit peak level. Removing system processing gives the headset full dynamic headroom to get louder and cleaner. You next optimize the signal chain inside G733. Open the equalizer and raise the preamp carefully, then boost low mids by a few dB for perceived loudness. Avoid clipping. Make sure Windows output is 24-bit, 48,000 Hz to prevent resampling attenuation. Also turn off any virtual surround, normalization, or dynamic range compression in both G733 and your media apps, because those can cap peaks. If volume remains low, reinstall the USB audio driver and repair the headset to eliminate driver-level limits. Finish by checking hardware and optional amplification. Make sure battery is charged because low battery can reduce output. Improve the ear cup seal, adjust the headband and replace pads if worn to increase perceived loudness. If you still need more headroom, plug the headset into a USB DAC or headphone amp rated for low-impedance cans. If volume issues persist, test the headset on another device, then factory reset and repair. If that fails, contact Logitech support. One key troubleshooting tip: always compare on a different source to isolate headset versus system problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.